We're looking good. Part 2. We took the shrimp. I'll show you fast. We go over here. We dipped them in some seasoning. If you didn't see the part 1 video, use this. Put them in there. Took the shrimp. Flip, flip, flip. Shake, shake, shake. Then I brought them back over. I took them out. Put them in there. We dipped it in. And this is where we're at. I like to make sure they don't stick. So a couple times I move them. But if you like a thicker breaded, you dip it in egg, then you dip them in your seafood batter or whatever you like. I watch people use milk. Let me get the other side now. That's what they look like. I want this side to look like that. I'm trying to cook them evenly. Not breading off that one a little. But as I was saying before, I paused the video. If you like it thicker, if you like the batter thicker, I would dip them in egg, scramble it, put them in the egg, then I would put them in the batter that you use. Then I'd fry them. Oh yeah, these are going to be popping. And then you'll finish up with a beautiful, tasty meal. With whole grain rice. And they're so crispy.